TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. From a point on the other side, directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. Let us consider that this is the road and a tower is standing on one side of the road, and there is a point on opposite side of the road. The angle of elevation from this point to the top of the tower is 60 degrees. And from another point which is 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from this point is 30 degrees. So find the height of the tower and the width of the road. So let us say that the height of the tower is h and the width of the road is x. So now in triangle ABC, in this triangle, with respect to this angle, the height of the tower is the opposite side and width of the road is adjacent side. So we can use tan theta, which is opposite side by adjacent side. So we can write as tan C is equals to AB by BC. So tan 60 degrees is equals to AB is h and BC is x. So tan 60 degrees is equals to h by x. Transposing this, and we know that the value of tan 60 degrees is root 3. Now transpose this x on that side. So it will be h is equals to x root 3x. Now in triangle ABD, with respect to this angle 30 degrees, AB is the opposite side and BD is the adjacent side. And AB is h and BD is equals to BC plus CD, which is x plus 10. So we can write it as tan 30 degrees is equals to h by x plus 10. So in triangle ABD, tan D is equals to AB by BD, which is tan 30 is equals to h by x plus 10. So we know that the value of tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Now in place of h we can write as root 3x. We can replace this x, this h with root 3x. Now cross multiplying this one, root 3 into root 3 will be 3x and 1 into x plus 10 is x plus 10. So 3x is equals to x plus 10. Now transpose this x on this side, so that will be 3x minus x, which is 2x is equals to 10 and x is equals to 10 divided by 2, 5. So the width of the road is 5 meters. Now if we substitute in this equation h is equals to root 3x, the height of the tower will be 5 root 3 meters. Therefore the height of the tower is 5 root 3 meters and width of the road is 5 meters.